Friends, whether you're looking for a powerful office desktop, a compact creative workstation, or a space-saving entertainment PC for your home, this is one machine you should really pay attention to. Meet the GEEKOM A5 Pro 2026 edition, one of the most powerful mini PCs you can get in the $600 price range for 2026. The A5 Pro is about the size of your phone and weighs just 652 grams. It slips easily into a backpack without adding bulk. The all-metal chassis feels solid and premium, not like those cheap plastic mini boxes. Want a clean desk setup? Mount it behind your monitor with the included VESA bracket and free up valuable workspace instantly. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7530U with 6 cores and 12 threads, the A5 Pro handles multitasking with ease. Dozens of browser tabs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and Photoshop all running at the same time, no stutters, no slowdowns. With 16 gigabytes of memory and a 1 terabyte SSD, you get plenty of room for apps, projects, photos, and videos. Cooling is handled by the upgraded IceBlast 3 thermal system, designed to stay quiet and stable even under sustained workloads. Combined with Wi-Fi 6, video calls, cloud work, and streaming are fast and reliable. Connectivity is another strong point. Up front, you get 2 USB ports and a headphone jack. On the back, 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, 2 HDMI outputs, a 2.5 gigabytes Ethernet port, and an SD card reader. Memory is upgradable up to 64 gigabytes, and storage can be expanded to 3 terabytes, giving you plenty of room to grow in the future. For work, it runs Office, Zoom, and collaboration tools smoothly. For creators, photo editing, FHD, video editing, and even light 4K projects are well within reach, and it supports dual 4K displays to boost productivity. At home, connect it to your TV, and it becomes a full 4K home entertainment center for Netflix, movies, and music. Every A5 Pro 2026 edition goes through over 1,000 quality tests before leaving the factory, ensuring stable operation even in extreme temperature conditions. And GEEKOM backs it with a 3-year full warranty for long-term peace of mind. To sum it up, for $600, you're getting a premium metal build, reliable performance, quiet operation, rich connectivity, and long-term durability. The GEEKOM A5 Pro 2026 edition isn't a mini PC you replace after a year or two. It's a dependable all-rounder built to support your work, creativity, and entertainment for years to come.